Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe-ke ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Ukuze ngingakuphuthi lezi ndaba ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungaba ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke ngiphathele-ke i-update-ke laphana-ke ngecala-ke le-MK-ke laphana-ke yalisubmit-a-ke laphana-ke inkantolo-ke yaphesheya-ke laphana-ke lokuthi-ke njengoba i-MK ikholelwa ekutheni ukuthi-ke amavoti-ke arigwa-ke laphana-ke lamavoti lawa-ke avela-ke ayikholelwa ekutheni ukuthi iwona ngqo ngempela yini-ke amavoti-ke laphana-ke ibhala. La ngiphethe ividiyo-ke kasisi-ke echaza-ke yonke-ke lento lena-ke laphana-ke nokungena-ke kwe-MK-ke enkingeni-ke lapha, kodwa angifuni-ke mina ukuthi kuningi wakuzwa ngaphandle nje uzodlala-ke ividiyo-ke engicela kulapha msusuleke le vidiyo ngene ma-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi na-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke maluchaza nebhasi nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi-ke ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
I know it's late, but ndinesigaxa. Let me attach it here for you. And ubana ndithuka ndiyaniblokha kule video. So i-MK has missed their deadline to submit i-written argument yabo. I'm going to tell you what it's for. This is regarding the rigging of the elections. La case yabo ye elections being rigged. So i-IEC it wanted mandifune kweli the IEC seeks punitive costs against MK party in the rigging cause. I-IEC ifuni MK ibhatale i-costs regarding la case yoba babethe votes they are rigged. So what is punitive cost? Punitive cost, if a court wants to show its displeasure about a defendant's conduct during a trial, it may order that the defendant pay the attorney and the client costs. So technically, IEC ibifuna u-EMK ibabhatale for costs zala case, because they say that ikhona indawo ndibone apha ba ithi IEC the MK ordinance ithi MK party case patently abusive and vexatious, says IEC. So IEC ithi bana MK is abusive and vexatious, so that's why they want them to pay. So MK was given a deadline yoba bazidefend as to why bengazubhatala and why la case was not a waste of time. But they didn't submit argument bezidefend, abasubmitanga nix. So andazi ke babazawubhatala malini kwi-IEC. And oko must be postponed the case bavele bayipostpone bayiyeka case. So that's why i-IEC ke ngoku ibalantus isithi ubana they wasted their time and baba costa so mababhatali. Iti Lena, there's this part that says the MK party was fully aware from the start that it had no evidence of voter rigging, yet it persisted in making scandalous and prejudicial allegations against the Electoral Commission of South Africa, which is IEC, and legitimating to set aside the election, said the IEC in the court papers on Wednesday. So IEC, EMK, they knew that they didn't have evidence from the word go, but they continued. Babethe, we've got you come and this is a background call. Babethe, we've got a mountain of evidence. Hey. We've got a mountain of evidence. Babe ndithuka the way nani ndithuke ngakhona. The way you guys nandituka regarding this case, the way Nai took EFF. You know one thing about the EFF, guys? The EFF is not a coward. One thing that you need to know about the EFF is not a coward, and the EFF has got experience. You may not like Julius Malema, but Julius Malema has been in politics for a long time. You understand? When Julius Malema doesn't pursue something, you must know that there's no case. If Julius Malema pursues something, you must know he's gonna win. He doesn't. Oh, Julius Malema doesn't start. He fights. He fights. Ayazi bakazi win. So how can you prove? No, we understand that the votes were rigged, but how can you prove that? Imagine indlela niyithuka ngayi EFF nifuna ijoyine lento ye votes ezirigiweyo Imagine. Yes, that's an EFF, and I'm so glad EFF is also courageous. Ingahambi ilandela wonke umoya lapha phandle. Nandi took again and you said, yeah. And I even made a video when the MK withdrew from the case. They're just postponing it in J. I made a video and you all came for me in the comments that, you know, this case was being postponed. It's going to be brought back. We're still gathering evidence. You guys actually forgot that you were fighting for rigged votes. Hence, the IEC naifunu batal. MK even failed to submit a written argument. Kandu Floyd. Why you Floyd enganibhaleli written argument? Ni submit pa. Ungaski IEC ni charge billions. Because why you Floyd engabhalelanga let like a written argument? And it is the smartest person in the EFF. The EFF was gonna collapse when Floyd left. You guys are too gullible, man. Yes. Anyway, guys, if you are seeing me for the first time, I have a YouTube channel. The link is on my profile. I'm talking about politics. Please go subscribe to my channel, okay? On YouTube, my name is Zizipho Lupelwana, Simple Politics. Please go and subscribe. Take me to 6,000 subscribers, please. Thank you.